Hi friends, let's create this shutter burst effect and get right into it. Okay, make sure you have all clips or photos on your timeline. Then you select them all with Ctrl A. Then right click on one of them and then go to change clip duration. And here we change the duration to 4 frames. The last two numbers of any time code are always the frames, so we make 04 to make sure they have 4 frames. Of course, we don't want to have these gaps between them, so we click on one of the gaps, go to edit, delete gaps, and here we go. Now we can zoom in, and then we go to the effects library. In the video transitions, we grab in the motion department for slide and drag it on between the first two clips or images. We can close the effects library. Then we drag the slide transition halfway. Click on it to open it in Inspector. If your Inspector isn't open, just click here in the upper right corner on Inspector. And then what we do is we go and set the preset of the transition, make sure it's selected. We set it from top down and we crank up the motion blur entirely to the full extent. Have a brief look, and it goes very fast, of course. And what we do now is we alt drag a copy to all the other clips. Okay, let's go to the beginning. Have a look at how it looks in full screen. So this is it. I hope you have a lot of fun with creating those, and thank you very much for watching. Have fun with the rest of this playlist. Goodbye.